Hello friends, myself Dr. Jyoti Verma, Assistant Professor, Department of Education, Guru Ghasidas Vishwavidyalaya, Bilaspur, Chhattisgarh. I welcome you all in my YouTube channel Jyoti Education Hub, and today we are talking about Gmail and its features. So we all know that what is Gmail? Gmail is free email service provided by Google. First, it was launched in 1st April 2004 and now it is 70 years old now. We know that there are over 1.8 billion active Gmail users in 2020. That's why Gmail is a very popular and every 5 people around the globe are using Gmail. This makes Gmail one of the most popular email platform around the world, and it shares the largest market share. In many ways, Gmail is like any other email services. For example, you can send email, receive emails, block spam, create address book, and perform other basic email tasks. But we know that after 2017, Gmail using the different features to us that is very user friendly and very convenient and useful for us. So let's we go to see that what are these features and how they will helpful for us. So features of Gmail, like we can schedule our email messages, we can automatically delete messages without opening it. We have the auto signature features, turn confidential mode on. We have theme settings option. We have another important messages that we can translate the message, search email option, auto response option, enable offline responses, smart compose, undo send, language suggestion, and many more features are there. So we will see that how we can utilize these features. So we can move directly to the Gmail. So here we can see that this is the input or the Gmail overview. Here we can see that there is a compose option, inbox option, send messages, schedule, draft. You can see that we have now Gmeet in our Gmail messages. Here we can directly join the Gmeet if we have code. We have Google Hangout facility. So first we can see that here we have our email. When we are clicking email, we can see that this email is available in English languages. But as I am already told you that if we want to translate the messages in other language, so how we can do this? Here you can see that there are number of options are available. You can replay the messages, you can forward these messages, filter message, print message, delete message, and translate messages. Here you can see that this option, translate messages. When you can click on this, you can detect languages. अभी ये जो मैसेज है ये आपका किस लैंग्वेज में है? This message is on English language, and what we want, we can translate this message in which languages? For example, I want to translate this message in Hindi. So see the translation here. So see that how it is very easy to do that. Okay. So this is the one of the most more important features of that, where we can translate the message in our own languages, in which languages we want to read the messages. Okay. Now we are moving towards to another features of Gmail settings. Here you can see that the click default. Here you can see that we have in default setting, in which we can see that if we have any attachment in our email, we can see directly. Okay. But we have three options in this that we can use to default, comfortable, and compact mode, in which you can see that the overview of this email positions and their between their spaces you can find the changes. So I suggest you that you can choose this default option, because in this option only you can find out, you can see and find out the direct attachment, which type of attachment do you have in your email. In other two options, these things you cannot see. So I suggest that you can choose the default setting. Next option is theme settings. So if you want that your the inbox setting is looking like some artistic view, some color view which you like most, then you can choose this theme. So click here and you can pick anyone which you like. I like this light blue color, so I choose this. Okay, and save the changes. You can see here that the window view of email is changed. Okay, now we are moving to some other features. Okay, the next features you can click on see all settings. When you click on all settings, you can find here number of options are available. You can change language display. Here normally by default English languages is set, but if you want to your message is coming in your preferred languages, you can choose languages which you want. For example, all the languages are here available. If anyone want, they can choose Hindi, Marathi, Nepali, any languages which you want. Then the next important features is that how many email you want to see in one pages. By default the setting is 50, but if you want, you can set is lesser in number or more in number as you wish. So I want that 100 email messages are available in screen, then I choose this option. Okay, then the next important feature is that undo send. Sometimes what happens, we are composing the mail and by mistake we can send the wrong email by default. So if I want to undo the send email, so what we do, because by default here the time is only 5 seconds are set, but we want to undo send the mail. It means that we can send the wrong email to anyone and we want to undo that sending the email, and at that we can increase the time limit to 5 seconds to 30 seconds. So here I change the setting to 5 to 30 seconds because we want to undo the email. Okay. The next option is, okay, now we move to lower, and here you can see that conversation mode on. Okay, here you can see that these are the stars. If you want to create or categorize your email in the colorful stars, then you can use these stars in your email. Just you drag and drop this key and these are available in your inbox, so that you can star your messages by using these stars. Okay, I can drop this and I can use this. Okay, this red stars also. Now one important thing I want to show you that how you can create your auto signature. That is very useful features of Gmail. So here you can see that I have created one automatic signature. So how we create? So first thing is that, okay, I adjust the window side. Create new. I click on create. What I want to create a new signature. So first I created with the Dr. Jyoti Verma. So second signature I will create Jyoti Verma. Create. Okay. This is the heading of my signature, and what I want to show in my signature, what things I want to write down, like my name Jyoti Verma. Okay. My designation, my institutional address, okay, Then next I want to put my email address, email jyoti1982@gmail.com. I want to put my mobile number, so I can write down my mobile number. Okay. And next I want to put my website address, website of my institution. So what I do for this, I click on this option, link, and here what I want, website, write down website. What website? Institutional website. Okay. So what is our URL address of our university? gggu.ac.in. Okay. So you can see here that we can see that the text showing on blue line. When we are clicking on this text, it will go through the university websites. Okay. Then what I will do next, I will save the changes. Okay, simply save the changes. Whatever I have done, everything will be saved to our services. Now I want to check that whatever I have changed is available. So first we check that auto signature option. So first I click on to compose any email to anyone. So I write down Jyoti. Okay. Subject regarding invitation. Here I write hi Jyoti. And now I want to put my auto signature. So what I will do, I will go to the below, and here I find that this pen like symbol. So I click on insert signature. Here I find two signatures. One is Dr. Jyoti Verma, which I was created previously, but currently I have prepared Jyoti Verma, one signature with Jyoti Verma. So I click on this, and you can see that whatever I have written, that is available here. Okay. So my auto signature is created. That's the same way you can create your auto signature. Now one more important feature is there. You can schedule your email. So how we can schedule our email? So here we can click last schedule time, this tomorrow morning, or pick any date or time. I want to send my email on 20th and 1 a.m. No, I want at 8 a.m. Schedule send. And here you can see that my email messages is scheduled, and it will go on 20th, not today. It will go on 20th. So that is the very nice thing in Gmail, that we can schedule our email. Now another thing I want to show you, that is how to create a group. So first, for creating the group, what we do to create contact. First we need to create contact. For example, I will create contact. To create a contact, for example, someone I want to create a contact. For example, I will create my contact Jyoti Verma. So I fill job title, चलिए टीचर लिख देते हैं, टीचर, ईमेल एड्रेस, everything you want, you can fill the detail. Okay, and save. So here I have created one contact. One is Jyoti. Okay. So now I have created the contact, and now next thing is that create the label, because these labels are showing in your group email. For group email, you need to first create contact, then you create label. So here I create label Jyoti personal. Okay. So I have created one label Jyoti personal. And then I have created a label. Then I put my contact in that label, because just I have created a label but I have no contact in that label. So I need to add the contact. So what we do here, you can see that how we can create the contact list. So first we create contact list. So we go to our contact list and select the contacts which I want to come together in my label, and after that manage labels. Okay, so first I go to my contact list. What I have created, new contact Jyoti, this one. Okay, so this contact I have created. So in which label I manage label? So where I put this Jyoti personal. Okay, so I have added one member in that label. Next I want to add some another members in that label. So I just click and search the name another Jyoti. Okay, this, and then select label and select okay, apply. Okay, I will add one more name. Okay, Jyoti, and then again click on manage label and Jyoti personal. So I have added 3 contact on my Jyoti label. Here you can see that I have created 3 contact in that labels, Jyoti personal labels. After that, I want to send the email in that group of pupils. 3 pupils in my this group, Jyoti personal group. We have added 3 members. So I want to send a mail to that group of people. So what I will do, then next I will go to my Gmail. Okay. Where is my Gmail? This is my Gmail. I will go to my Gmail account. Then what I will do, compose the email. Okay. Then I want to select that group which I have created in which 3 members are there. That group name is Jyoti personal. So I will simply type that group name, Jyoti personal. Okay, these 3 members are in that group. Okay, then write the subject invitation. Hi Jyoti. Okay, I add my signature. Okay, and then I will send this message to my contact groups. Okay, so that it is very simple to create a group and send a mail to group of people. The next pictures I have learned that we have selected some stars for labeling the group. So how these stars are shown. So when you click one time, you can see yellow star, but next time you click, you can see another color. This type of star you can label, categorize. Okay. So thank you so much for listening me. If you like my channel, please subscribe my channel for upcoming my videos. Thank you so much.